Hi, I'm Amanda and I'm an Energy Advisor in the Home Energy Scotland South East team. If you're cooking this Valentine's Day, then here are some top tips to help you save energy and money when you're cooking your meal. Our first tip is to always use the right size pan for the job and to use the correct hob ring for each pan. You should also only use the amount of water that you need, as boiling water that you don't need takes more time and energy. Make sure to pop a lid on your pots and pans. The water will boil faster and use less energy to heat your food. You can also reduce energy use in the kitchen by keeping the oven door shut as much as possible, and make sure the glass door is clean so you can see what's going on. This stops you from letting out hot air and wasting energy. Our final tip is to never put hot food directly in the fridge or freezer. Allow it to cool on the side first. If you'd like to find out how else to save energy in the home, then you can contact us directly at 0808 808 2282 or fill in our contact form at homeenergyscotland.org/contact-us.